Hello everybody, it's really good to speak to you all and to give my latest Heads Up video assembly. I want to just talk to you about a few things, a few very important things, just to keep you up to date with what's going on in the school and, and a bit into the future as well. So first of all, just an obvious reminder about all our COVID mitigations. It's clear to everybody that we have more absence than normal due to COVID at the moment, so it's so important that we keep going with masks, with hand washing, and that you guys, we all keep testing at home as well. So all the rules that we know we need to follow, please keep going with it. Rates are high in Scotland and in the Borders and in Galashiels at the moment. The school mitigations will mean we've still got two separate breaks, as you know. Now we plan to move to one break and after the Easter holiday. Okay, so we're not going to change the break times just now, but we will do that after the Easter holiday and move to one break, like we had a few years ago that some people will remember, and we look forward to doing that. In terms of assemblies, we are allowed to have assemblies now. We've not managed to do that yet, just because of seniors having assessments and us having to cover, teachers and so on in the hall as well when they've been absent. So we're going to do that as soon as we can, but bear with us. We want that to be done well, and there's a lot going on at the moment. School rules, another reminder, folks, about that, and thank you for your attention to those. You know that our school rules are ready, respectful and responsible. You know also that we did a bit of work around the school recently about respect, and we agreed as a school that respect meant allowing everybody in the class to learn and using respectful and appropriate language. So these things are still really important to us, obviously. So, let's make sure that we adhere to those things that we all agreed upon as a school. The hall, as just in break time, as you've seen, we've started more assessments there. So that means that some of the S1 to 3 break and lunch is along in the 6-year common room. Again, it changes on a daily basis, but you'll see when you go along what you have to do. Senior break and lunch is not affected in terms of the canteen. The canteen's always open at those times, okay? I want to wish our seniors ongoing good luck and best wishes. We're still right behind you all. You have got more assessments just now, and that's really important in terms of keeping an ongoing preparation for your SQ exams, and really well done for your commitment to that and your efforts there. All your staff, your teachers are obviously right behind you, and we will be writing to you and letting you guys know and your parents know very soon about Easter school in the academy, where many teachers will be providing study sessions over the Easter holidays. So we look forward to telling you about that, but you can talk to your teachers about that at the moment. Okay, folks, thank you very much indeed for everything you're doing. Keep working hard.